Okay, so to deal with broken links, we're going to use this Velvet Blues plugin. Now, it ain't perfect, it's a little dated, so it's not going to be updating this number as you go, but the process seems to be working. So we're going to look through our broken links, and first thing we're going to do is look for URLs that have, if you do the rollover, you see that it has that sites folder and it has the month folder. So I'm going to click Edit URL. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to Update URLs. I'm going to paste it in here. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of the JPEG. Okay, you can see, and what I'm going to do is then copy the whole thing, copy and paste here. But here, I'm going to get rid of the month stuff, and I'm going to get rid of the site stuff. Okay, so it just leaves the folder. You just want that always to end with upload slash. Then I check all these boxes. This is kind of a laborious task. And we're just going to click update. And it found 10 items. Okay, so those are 10 fixes, so that worked. Now, you notice this red dot, it turns out it's not changing, but it actually is working on the front end. When you start to look at these posts, the pictures are going to start to reappear. So we go back to broken links. It's kind of a random process, just like here's one for that folder. You can click that URL, go to update, paste it, remove the name of the folder. I mean the image. Copy the whole thing, paste it, and then delete the stuff you don't want. So it's clean and it's always going to end up in uploads because the pictures are successfully the most. I saw a few missing, but for the most part they are in there. And I checked in the file manager in SiteGround to make sure of that. So again, we'll click all these boxes. We'll go update URLs, and it found 6 items that fixed that. And that's pretty much the procedure. It's time consuming. This number will change because it's parsing, and I don't know, I put it set up for every 24 hours, but it takes a while. But just you'll see when you log out and you log in the next day that that number is going to start to come down. Slow and laborious.